you got crews balancing there, but you ask any of these investors what their biggest headache is out there, it's not even the crews, it's the property management.
Yeah, well, property management is so much more than just it's putting the right people in there. It's inspecting the homes. It's making sure everything's going well. It's making sure that people aren't trashing your places and doing more damage. It's making sure taking care of all the legal effort when you have to get somebody out. It is going in there and making the corrections and the fix. And I think that's the thing that's scary about property management in general, or owning a bunch of properties, is like, yeah, you can handle like 3 or 4 properties as long as you have good renters in them and they're going well. You get to the point where you have 10, 15, 20. Now you have to outsource that.
Let's piss a lot of people off right now real quick. There's no such thing as a good renter.